Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are in Tampa Bay, Tampa, Florida to go on the American Victory ship. So come along with me and see what we can see at this wonderful museum. To give you an idea of about how far away this place is, I'm going to use the Villages, which is in Central Florida, to give you a little bit of a perspective. Now, as you see, it's a nice day trip. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Now, you do have to walk about halfway down the ship before you see the main entrance sign. Just go up the stairs, and that's where you pay. At the time of this video, admission prices: members are free, adults $10, youths $5, and that is 4 to 12. Seniors 65 and over are $8, and there are discounts, as you can see. Now, for those of you who fly drones, or who just want to know the longitude of where we're at right now, this is what we got. And actually, it looks like I could have flew my drone over here, at least according to FAA. But I didn't bring it because I just made an assumption, because we're fairly near to the airport, that I couldn't fly. So that was a wrong assumption. However, I did not check with local ordinances, so maybe we can't fly anyway, I don't know. But in this video, no drone footage. Sorry, guys. Now, by the way, the American Victory is one of the only 4 fully operational World War II ships in the country. The American Victory ship is a true American icon and is recognized on the National Registry of Historic Places. Now, don't forget to go upstairs, because there's plenty more to see. Wow. You can see all kinds of cool things when you're up here, especially on the top deck, like watching 2 tugboats pushing around something, some other ship, I don't know what that is. Comment below if you know what it is. Now, if you decide to venture up as high as you could possibly go, this is the beautiful view that you're going to get. Absolutely wonderful. And by the way, when you're here, if you see the group of wonderful volunteers that work here to bring you this wonderful piece of history, please thank them. They do a wonderful job. Now, over there is where we were earlier, but I'm way up as high as I can go on the tower now. This is awesome. If you're in the area, Tampa Bay, you gotta stop off and get this done. You gotta see it. It is fantastic. Now, unlike other museum ships, you can pretty much view every inch of this, and I highly advise that you do, because there is so much to experience. There are so many hallways and different areas to explore. It is awesome. If you know what that Morse code is, comment below. They even have the original gyro compass in here. Wow. Now, some of the things you can see on here is the cavernous 3-level cargo hold, radio and gyro rooms, hospital, gallery, weaponry, steering stations, flying bridge, signal equipment, wheelhouse, mess halls, crew cabins, lifeboats, the captain's quarters, cargo equipment, the engine room, and more. In addition to that, you can enjoy rare artifacts. They have all kinds of exciting exhibits. They have uniforms, medals, documents, photographs. It's right there throughout the 9 decks. And the 455-foot by 109-foot cargo vessel. There is something for everyone to explore. Wow. This is awesome. You gotta check it out. Oh, and by the way, if you're here during the summer, they have these special cool-off areas that have AC in them. So if you do get a little overheated, just come on in one of these rooms for a couple minutes, relax, chill, pun intended, and then when you're ready, just continue the tour. These guys have thought of everything. And I do mean everything. Now this is called the reefer, as you saw at the beginning. So evidently, reefer meant something completely different than it does today. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the American Victory. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. Thank you, and have a great day.